Hey ba. Okay then, as emsebenzini ayangihlukumeza. Tell me why. Bathi ngigcwalisa fuel. Like, okay, sanibonani guys. Bathi ngigcwalisa fuel, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Singama fat. Ngigcwalisa fuel. Like, I mean, I'm busy namadili la, ngizama close off amadili ami. Sebeyangithuma, guys. Yazi ngiyahlungezwa la ekhaya. Bayangihlukumeza straight. Guys, ayikho into nje. Ncebo, umubu walento leyo yangihlukumeza sis. Umphathi wami yangihlukumeza. Uthi ngigcwalisa fuel. So njengamanje sengifuna ukuhamba. Ngigcwalisa fuel. Oh no, good so corner. Guys, nizwe iqale kanjani? Ne. Nizwe guys iqale kanjani? MG njalo le. It's slashla. It's giving slashla vibes. It's giving slashla vibes, guys. Manje ngoba bangihlukumeza Yo, ngiyahlukunyezwa. Ngiyazi into nje. Yo, sana, but it's fine. Ngizohamba phela ngoba kuyahanja. Ngihamba ngoba kuyahanja. Niyaphilani bafethu. So ngidayisa imoto. Lethi ngila yabheda ne. I feel like yabheda. Guys, my filter. Yo guys, ngaze ngangena kuyogcwalisa fuel. Niyaphilani bafethu. Niyazithemba ukuthi ni right. Imoto niyithenga nini njalo? Niyithenga nini imoto? Hayi, December is around the corner, so by now ngabe nje usuphethe isikhiye sakho uthi. Phethe isikhiye nje uthi. Nithenga nini imoto? Nizithenga nini imoto? Abazali beni bayithenga nini imoto? Because ngiyazigcwele ingane la, so abazali beni bayithenga nini imoto bafethu? Nizithenga nini imoto? Nizithenga nini? Angizwa njalo ukuthi ngikhuluma nayo ngithenga imoto. When are you buying a car? Ngifuna ukuqinisa ngisines George. Ngisines George. Nithenga nini imoto? Okay, imoto mhlambe ziyabiza ama-weave ke wona unathenga nini? Nathenga nini ama-weave game? Niwathenga nini ama-weave game? Hi guys, like ngidayisa zonke iy'hlobo zey'moto. I sell all brand cars. Nee, yabo, MG. Yabo nje. Nje uthi imoto yakhe MG. Yabo, uthi nje imoto yakhe MG. Bese sikhiya nje. Uthi nje le moto le. Nizwile guys ukuthi ikhala iduma kanjani. Athi anizwanga nje le moto ukuthi iduma kanjani. Nizwile yini ukuthi iduma kanjani le moto. Awuthi nginizwise mawethu. Eish. Yo. Perfect. As imoto yo guys. Yo. Thengani imoto perfect. Thengani imoto. Lokhu ngishilo thenga imoto bethu, thenga iMG futhi kahle. You must buy an MG car. An MG car. Uyithenge kimi leyo moto leyo. Ngizwe ukuthi iduma kanjani. Ngizwe ukuthi iduma anizwanga guys. Aw! Hayi, nekya. Ngiyakutshela. Bana ziyakhala man. Hayibo. I-motor entry level malini iqala from 6,000 entry level i-motor. So wanna short unjani Thoban. I love all your videos. Thank you Jay. Hi Nikki. So guys, yeah, for you I'll buy it. Okay, you must please buy it. Guys, meant for motor name 080449688. So meant for motor, please DM the number I'm going to pin right now. Yeah guys, yeah, I'm in funny motor. I didn't Emily number ne. So if you want a car, please DM the number I've pinned. I sell all brand cars, but I specialize in selling my MGs, which are very, very affordable for an SUV car. It starts from 4.5 per month, and this is the MG that I sell. So look at the interior part. It's guys, when I saw the interior has a multi-steering wheel, which is this one, the gearbox. Ne? In Kubuzan lento. In Kubuzan, guys. It's an automatic car, has an Android Play and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Has a handbrake. Oh, obviously, this is the entry level, so which is 4.5 per month. J yabona wena la thatha isithombe khona ne nje guys kuningi nishokla nje content nikhumbuza yona le inikhumbuzani guys le gear leli ngapheleli lihle kanje inikhumbuzani ne guys. So thenga imoto wena uyilokho nje gear lakho masajele nje gear thenga imoto. But okay guys, yeah, this is the entry. This is the interior parts, which is the entry level of an MG that I sell. It has a 1.5 liter engine or engine. Basically boot space is 293 meters. So I feel like the boot space is kind of like big. We have gray, black, blue and red for an MG, but the red is currently being sold right now. So scenario my color now black, gray and blue. It's just a dark blue. So entry level. There's also a luxury level which has a leather seat table. Everything is the same, just the difference is the leather seat table. Or and any difference it will see in a luxury there's a reverse camera. Lena in my sensors name. So luxury there's a reverse camera. So well, Ishinking credit score. Is credit score yakhe ikubani? Guys, nisangizwa yini? Nisangizwa. Someone is calling me, but I don't know. I just feel like you're not hearing me, but nisangizwa. Okay. Nisangizwa, guys. Okay. Let me show you the outside. So 4.5 for how many months? Okay. So 4.5 for 96 months. That's 72 months. So this is the car I was talking about. Neighbor fit. Now, then we also have the grey. Yeah, we also have the grey. We also have the black. Yeah. So guys, these are the colors. Then we MG3, which is the entry level. Yona a color from 5,000. This is the. It looks like a. Oh yeah, this is the entry level. Is it automatic? Yeah, it's an automatic. So 3.0. It's 310. Automatic entry level, which is 5,000 per month. MG3 sinayo gelana. Then guess J Cool. We also have the J Cool, guys. J Cool. So 4.5 hundreds. Okay, I did say 4.5 for 92 or 72. Yeah. Scenario J Cool, which starts from 7.5 to 8,000. Yeah, well, scenario J Cool. J Cool, open the windows. Then you also have the MG, which I was talking about. Polo ganalo snala. Nema. Seen Polo and color from 4.5. And then we're going to the MG. MGHS, which starts from 7.5 per month in $499, and this is the entry level of it. So yeah, so 7.5 per month. In the screen is cool. Guys, EcoSports scenario, Swifts, Nazalan, the i20, when a 40. Nay Omoda street. Omoda street. Naila Omoda, open the windows. We're currently renovating, guys. So there's a new car coming to town. We have the Atos. Atos is one of the cheapest cars ever. It's color from 4K. It's cheap. We have selling equity. Oh, let me flip the camera. Yeah, it's cheap. I'm selling equity color from 3.8, 3.5. Nakonia fear corner, and then get installment. Yeah, roughly like 4.5. Yeah, is I'm selling a young installment. But besides the installment, you color from 3.8. Equity, Atos, Grand i10, and also if you counter, starts from thinking. Starts from 3.8 monthly. Yeah, and then gave us to Tola MG ZS, which starts from 4.5. Utoli Polo, all from 4.5. Utoli inch. If you want to know how much is that Polo? So you Polo you're now color from 279. Then get installment corner is 4,500 because it's a Polo Vivo. So when I tell you if you want to know, bese mina ngicela installment uzoyithenga yike mhlanje uyayithenga imoto ngikudeliver yona yabo ukhiya wakho nje uthathe manje and nisho guys ngifuna ama MG, you know, it's Yay. So how much is the Omoda? I want to buy it for my mom. Ah, that's so cute. Good, what's it contain, mama? So your Omoda, you're not $379. Installment is 6,000 per month. My mom. I saw Polo Butcher, the older one. No, I'm a Polo Butcher. I saw Daisy. Started from like Polo Vivo, Polo TSI. Yeah, but I'm a Butcher. One guy noticed what Daisy, but now I'm a customer phone. I don't know what I know. Nje imoto ayibalekile now. Hayibo kanjani? Kanjani? So how much is the quid? Equity is 189 and then installment is 3.5 to 3.8 but roughly the installments start from 3.5 excluding insurance, mama. Yeah, sithembeke nokubonga ukuthi ayithenga imoto ubusungibuzini. Yay, ngiyokudm manje la but TikTok. Nokubonga mama. Thenga imoto mama. Thenga angizali. Thanks. I bet my mom will cry. She better. Zalla. I'll send you a DM. You better buy your mom the car, the Omoda. Which Mercedes do you have? We have all types of Mercedes. Which one are you looking for? Kunjani short. Do you have a car? Do you have a Polo TSI? Yes, I do have a Polo TSI. Guys. Yeah, guys, uzangithenga imoto. Mina sengithengisile imoto engidayisayo. Nazi nje la. Nazi imoto guys engidayisayo. Polo, when I MG, when I Swift. Yeah, it's Swift yona i4.5 monthly. Yeah, simene Omoda. That Omoda is really, really cute, shape. It's a very in a little temptation nje. Angazi nami ukuthi ngithini but sinaleyo nto leyo. Ne? Ali Polo mina okay nginankinga if ufuna iPolo. 83044 9688. Okay guys, if you're looking for a car, please DM the number I've pinned right now. Just take a screenshot because I still ngiyabona ukuthi ngizofuna ukulokhunja. So Hyundai X-Type, it ranges from 439 and the installment is roughly 7k. Hyundai X-Type, mommy, like plus minus 7k. So yeah. Ending 12,000, credit score is 750. What can I get? On a flip. So NP200 tuna I shot again. Yes, I do have an NP200. Go man, yeah, 9,000 per month installment. Earning 12k, credit score is 750. What can I get? You basically get all types of car. Where Tola when Polo when nothing. You can get a JC T6, which is the entry level of e-check. A boy check here. I was really Tola. Uthole nje wena veni etika nje you are qualifying imoto eningi because your credit score futhi ihamba kahle yabo because usually masithi plus minus a installment yabo so sisho ukuthi kanjani like i-account yakhe i-behavior kanjani yabo. So if wena une-credit score is-750 then ke shuthi i-profile yakho i-right i-clean ngakwazi nje ukuthola i-installment engqo yabo masithi i-installment u-4.5 kwazi ukuthola nje ongqo without i-insurance yabo leyo nto leyo. So yeah, you do qualify for imoto. Njani nkosazana ngiyaphila njani? How much is a Range Rover? A Range Rover, ilapho close to $1 million or $1 million. I've never sold a Range Rover, so I wouldn't know the prices ever. Yeah. beautiful. How are you? I'm good. And yourself? When are you buying a car? Oh, Sana. Please follow me back. Alrighty. Dawn. So guys, imoto ngiyithenga nini? Yabo if ngibizela amagama laba bantu. Ngiyawabiza ngithi ubani. Kumele nje ethenga imoto. Enza application, ethenga imoto, si deliver khona namhlanje. Ne? Thobani, Bayanda, Muhau, Asanda, Ncebo, Mbali, Sne, Nhlonipho, Bayanda, Ayanda. Who else? Luyanda, Sisanda, Ziyanda, Owethu. Yay, knock, thenga imoto. Knock, thenga imoto. Yay, thenga imoto. Zandile, thenga imoto. Sinqobile, thenga imoto. Nomtshela umzala wakhe thenga imoto. How about a GD6 AMG? Yeah, what about the GD6 AMG? You know, iqala lapho 8 plus minus 8,000 per month. Yabo. No, my account is short. I have 3 accounts. I have this main account. I have my wig account, and I also have my work account, which is halfway shorty. Yeah. So those are the accounts I have. Now my and was guys. Okay, guys, didn't tell any more. All right. Let me go. Ne, so I'm in funny mod guys. Ne, as what's something ne. Ne, we page them. No savings. 9688. Yeah, ne, we page them. No 70. Nithenge imoto. Oh. Hi Sissy, would you suggest a pre-owned vehicle or a new phone for someone who's young? I would literally suggest okay, no, I would suggest number 9. Put on guys. That's very good. Oh, nice. I'll suggest you buying an iPhone, take my sneakers from me. So yeah, an iPhone. And we are corners. We are corn.
Yabona into yakho yenza ulwenda izosiqhatha nebhiza ngihlala nezingane. Wawuhlela emotweni mengabudayisa imoto.
Ayimboke. Siswe lace lift.
Set wena neband. So keep it banding me.
Yeah. Guys.
Fethu. Hlala ngale ngihamba ngiyofaka fuel.
Okay.
Uphumele.
Hayibo. Ungusani?
Hayibo.
Yes, Hey. Ay, shame unenkinga nami. Ngikubona. Passenger. Hi, sissy. Ewa, guys, ngishilo unenkinga nami sheng. Why uspida?
I'm not speeding.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
How? Hey, beautiful.
Who's beautiful?
Look at me now.
Are you beautiful?
Yes. Very good.
Nama is so beautiful.
Yeah. But if 12 bengekho muhle tele ngeke ngithenge lutho pause.
Hayi bandla uzenenya sizomtshela ngempela. zamanje.
Shame, guys. Man. Nibangan vele, guys. Umphathi wakho. Enemy nje naye njalo. What's the total cash price for an MG3? What warranty and service plan does it come with? So a price yayo entry level a manual is 289, and then get automatic is 310. Then you have the CVT, which is 349. Then Sibeni hybrid AMG, which is 499. Yeah, so yeah, so the entry one manually like 4.5 installment. Then the automatic one is 5,000 per month installment. Then le color from 6,000. Then le hybrid color from 8 to 10k. Yeah, so the cash price yona warranty is 7 years and 200,000 kilometers, and the service plan is 3 years and 30,000 kilometers. Shame I was able to explain
What?
my service plan never runs. So yeah, I'm proud. Being just so cautious.
Lo muntu sasebenzela 2 months wonke so usa stress ama service plan nama warranty.
Yeah, but I
Don't
thought
ngabe ngisho uvusa ngo3 ngithi. My legs is lifting here, so it's not even funny.
oh, like it's bad. I was well, this was a hamba vele like
Hayibo nakho sengibhayiza.
vele unandoda esisingapha. So yeah.
Angizwanga sis.
Indoda oyithengile isiphuzo sonke.
Hayibo.